Look, here I have taken two types. In the first type, in the third type, instead of class intervals, class marks are given like this. But we have to convert these class marks to the class intervals, otherwise we will not be able to draw the histogram. This is our question. You can see the class marks are given only. From these class marks, we have to prepare the class intervals. The adjustment factor is calculated as any class marks minus its previous class marks whole divided by 2. The calculation of adjustment factor is shown here in more details. The adjustment factor is to be subtracted from each class marks and also to be added to the same class marks. After subtraction, the result is the lower class interval, and after addition, the result is the upper class interval. This is shown in the diagram by the blue arrows. Other class intervals also have been determined in the same way. And finally, we have the entire frequency distribution table with class intervals, as shown in the left side of this screen. Drawing this graph is very easy. We can do it on the basis of our knowledge of previous two graphs. Here the intervals are continuous, so it is very easy. Let us complete the graph. Therefore, it is our entire diagram.